To activate your Santander credit card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have received your credit card and it is in your possession. You will need the card details, including the long card number, expiration date, and security code, which is usually found on the back of the card. Next, visit the Santander website and navigate to the credit card activation page. You can also activate your card by calling the phone number provided with your card or by using the mobile banking app. When activating online, you will need to log in to your Santander account. If you do not have an online account, you can register for one at this time. Once logged in, select the option to activate your credit card and follow the on-screen instructions. You will be asked to provide the card details, including the long card number and expiration date, as well as some personal details to verify your identity. This is a security measure to ensure the card is being activated by the correct person. After completing the activation process, your credit card will be ready for use. You can then set up additional security features, such as text alerts and account notifications, to help keep your account secure. As a best practice, make sure to sign the back of your credit card as soon as you receive it, and store it in a safe place. You should also review your account terms and conditions, including the interest rate and any fees associated with your credit card. By following these steps, you can easily activate your Santander credit card and start using it for purchases and other transactions. Remember to always keep your account information and credit card details secure to prevent unauthorized use.